Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Classes with me. So this video is the project video for Power BI, and in this video we will be taking care of a healthcare client where the healthcare client is from, let me check that, from Association of Healthcare Providers India, that is AHPI. So this is the first healthcare project in our YouTube channel, and we will do this project with the help of Power BI. Let me tell you one thing before starting the project. This project will be very basic. It will be just kind of drag and drop kind of thing, and also all the work and requirement will be very basic, so no need to worry about. I know one thing, that Power BI or any BI tool take care of Tableau as well. Very less number of people are familiar with it. So my aim and my motive is like to make sure everyone should start from ground zero, and then each and every project that we will do in future will be one step ahead from the previous project. So that is my aim, so that each and everyone are on the same page of learning and knowledge gaining. So that's my motive for the project video. First thing first, let's start with the mail, and this mail is from our freelance client, name AHPI, that is Association of Healthcare Providers. And who is our point of contact? Saurabh Basu is our point of contact. What is his designation? His designation is Healthcare Analytics Team. Means he is from the Healthcare Analytics team, and like whomever we want to connect in near future related to any work, we will be asking to Saurabh. So we will be writing mail for that as well, like each and everything from starting mail to ending mail to sending project, each and everything will be done from our side. So let's check that out and let's see what mail do we have. So okay, so first thing first, we have the subject line as review request for initial Power BI requirement validation. Okay, so hi Shubham, hope you are doing well. As discussed earlier, our senior Power BI team wants to conduct a preliminary validation of a few data level requirements before moving ahead with complex modeling. Okay, so that means like we won't be doing any dashboard kind of thing. We will be just taking care of whatever requirements they will be asking for. For this phase, please avoid using DAX or building dashboard. So they have written that, and we will also take care of it. A simple report view is enough. Okay, no worries. You may use any visual that help you present the data clearly. Okay, so we have got the freedom of using any visuals, as we can see it is written properly. So there is a written document of it, no need to worry about. Below are the two items we need you to interpret and prepare. Okay, let's read that. We want to verify the proportional distribution of our beneficiary population across varying clinical condition cluster. Okay, each cluster must appear as an independent element in your representation. Please ensure the report view canvas includes a clear heading title. Okay, this should be our heading. And from this line, what they want to, like what they want is like they want to ask related to clinical condition clusters and proportional distribution of population. See, first thing first, like this kind of scenario will be given to you. So it is like uh kind of what we say, it is not, they are not asking data directly, they are asking data in such a way like we have to understand what actually they want from us. From this actually what they are asking is like they want the count of patients by this clinical conditions, maybe a disease, maybe disease category, maybe related to anything related to clinical condition. How can I know that? Population and clinical condition clusters. That means population is what? Number of patients or number of patient ID XYZ kind of thing. And clinical condition cluster means it can be anything related to disease category, like that kind of thing. So that is our first requirement. Second requirement is like for financial risk screening, we need a bifurcation that help us quickly identify which beneficiary cohort has the coverage confirmed versus those for whom indemnity is not established. Okay, I can understand that. मतलब coverage confirm मतलब what I can understand from this is like they are asking for something where insurance kind of thing is covered or not. That can be only seen in the file. If we check the file, then only we can understand. But as a data analyst, as an experienced data analyst, what I can analyze, see, you are a data analyst, you have to analyze each and everything from a single paragraph or a single line. That much quality you should have. Means you should be so much lean towards the analysis part, where you have to just read a line or two or a paragraph and you have to create a picture in your mind like what they are trying to ask. Okay, this is a sanity check that you have to do, or kind of thinking, upper level thinking you have to do, and that comes with practice. So the more you practice, the more you can think about this thing. No doubt, the last or the end thinking or analysis part will only be done until and unless we don't see the data. Once we see the data and we confirm about whatever things we have thought of, then we will apply those things on the data set. Whatever data columns they have, whatever requirements they have, we can connect it. Then we will like move to the final part. That's the thing. Moving to final part is not a straight path like that. You have to take care of each and every step. You have to make sure each and every stone is unturned. Okay, make sure you do that. That's the main part of it. And as I tell each and every time in my live stream, is like data analysis is not about writing query, creating DAX, creating dashboard. It is not about that. That is only 20 to 30%. Remaining 70 to 80% is all about your thinking ability. How much you can think, how much you can analyze. Because see, your domain name, your designation contains analytics. It is all about your mind game. Company or client or stakeholder, anybody is paying you for your brain, like how much you are thinking, how much logic you have built up with your experience, or how much logic you have built up by seeing, or I mean by making projects, daily practice, consistent learning. That's the thing. The more you work, the more you practice, the more you have experience, the more thinking ability you have. Because the more the world you see, the more you can express or experience your thoughts in front of the client or stakeholders or managers. That's the thing. Okay, story time is done. Now let's move to the mail part. Once you prepare the visuals, share the file so that senior BI team can verify whether the requirement alignment is correct before we proceed to modeling stage. Let me know if you need any clarification. Okay, so right now we are ready for it and they have not sent the file. These things will happen. Let me tell you, they won't be sending the file until and unless you don't confirm anything. Right now I will be confirming 2-3 things, like hi Saurav, hope you are doing well. I have read your mail related to requirements, and I am ready to work. Oops, sorry. I'm ready to work on this project. ठीक है? You can send me the file for further work. I have one query to be sorted out. That do I need to keep Power BI team in CC? or is it just I need to mail you as a mutual connection between BI team and me. ठीक है, मतलब what we have asked, let me just correct this things so that okay, what I have asked, like I hope you are doing well. That's like normal basic things. Okay, I have read your mail related to requirements and I am ready to work on this project that we have given a confirmation. You can send me the file for further work. Like we are ready, you can send us the file. Because see, sometimes what happened due to privacy issue, like if the like freelance gig says that no, I don't want to work on this thing, that thing, no dashboard, it is just a drag and drop kind of thing, no writing DAX. So like that, just for privacy issue, rather than sending the file and after sending the file they will, like suppose the freelance gig says that no, not this work, I want that one. To be safe side, to be on the safe side, freelance client do like this kind of things. Beware of that. Okay, beware of that. No doubt payment has been done, upfront has been done, all those things had been done, but still, let me tell you, beware of this things. These things happen, so it is no kind of surprise to you all. Just I'm giving you knowledge about it. So we have one more query, like I have asked, I have one query to be sorted out, like do I need to keep the Power BI team in CC? Because they have told, means they have told like share the file so that senior Power BI team can verify, but they have not told like share the file to senior BI team or something. They haven't told that. That's why I need to ask. Because directly sending the file and sending the file through a source middleman would be a better thing, because this guy has mailed us, not the Power BI team. ठीक है, this is our point of contact, not the Power BI team. No doubt we are working for the BI team indirectly with this as a middleman. That's what I'm saying. So you have to confirm in each and every step. It is not like you thought कि अच्छा ठीक है we can write in CC. No, it's not like that. Either you go in corporate field, either you go in any freelance field, you have to be very much kind of alert related to these things. You have to confirm first in a written document. Like this written document means mail, you have to confirm first, then only you take the next step. Otherwise it will create a big issue, and issue means negative effect on your career. That's what I mean to say. Okay, this is professionalism as well. You have to confirm in mail. You don't have to think about it like okay, let's mail to Power BI team in CC. You will think, no, it's not about thinking, it's all about confirmation and written document. That's it, nothing else. Because if tomorrow this middleman, like Saurav, if this guy says that you haven't asked to us, directly send to Power BI team and all those, that time you will be the culprit and issues will be created. That's what I'm saying. Just to be on the safe side, just to be on the kind of written document side, you have to use these tricks and tips. These things will be applied to you once you go to this corporate field or freelance gig, or once you become freelance gig or like this kind of thing. Then only you will be able to gain this kind of knowledge. So my motive is, before going there, why not to put this kind of knowledge, professionalism knowledge in beforehand, rather than going there creating mistake then learning things. It is better to upload these things in your mind through the project or kind of early knowledge kind of things. So that's my point of view. So is it just I need to mail you as a mutual connection between BI team and me? Okay, let's write regards Shubham DA freelance. ठीक है, we will mail them and wait for the file to receive. We will receive the file, then we will do a sanity check then and there in the Google Drive. See, this is in Google, so obviously the file will be uploaded in Google Drive either would be in Excel sheet or CSV file. Okay, we will do a sanity check there. We will check first कि this file is corrupt or not, like this kind of thing, then we will move forward. Okay, so I'm sending this file and let's wait for the next mail with the file, also with this confirmation with the BI team. Okay, let's wait for the mail. So we have received a mail, you can check it right here. We have the file as well, what I can see right here right now, but still we will do a sanity check and we will see is the file okay to work with or is it like corrupted file or something. We will do a sanity check here, then we will write a mail. We will confirm that we have received the file and we will start working in the Power BI project. That's the thing. Let's first read what mail we have received from Saurav. Like, hi Shubham, thank you for taking up this project. That's the thing. Regarding your query, I would prefer not to include Power BI team in CC during the initial phase. See, this is what I have told earlier. Many of you, that's not a issue. If I would be a fresher in place of you, I would have also done the same thing. I would have added them in CC and work. But I know one thing, because I have the experience of corporate and freelance, means I am not flexing, but on a knowledge point of view, I am saying one thing. Always have a written document from your own side plus a confirmation mail from the other side as well. It should be like that. It should be like that, because see, relationship is always on two sides, not on one side. That's what I'm trying to say. Earlier we used to think, like some of you might be thinking कि अच्छा ठीक है, Power BI name has written, let's add them in Power BI. मतलब add Power BI and CC, nothing will happen. But this is not the rule. You have to take each and every step like on the safer side, I would say. See, right now we have received an unexpected thing. Like they have told, I would prefer not to include Power BI team in CC during the initial phase. Simple. Since I am the point of contact for you, they have written, the client and all the respective department on the client side. Means they have told contact for you means us, the client, and the respective department on the client side. Like whoever like whatever department they are having, they are dealing with, this guy is the point of contact, nothing else. It's better to keep the communication streamlined through me for now. They have written for now. It may be like that in near future. Suppose Power BI team directly connect to me, that time it's a different thing. If Power BI team directly connects to me, that time I can connect to both Saurav and Power BI team. That's a different thing, because Saurav is actually our point of contact. We have to inform him at any cost. Power BI team, if they question us or if they ask for any requirement on a personal basis, then that would be also a different thing for us. So this is what knowledge I am trying to give you apart from project, because I know in YouTube each and everyone is into project, each and everyone into writing query, each and everyone is into writing DAX dashboard. That's a good thing. Each and every teacher is having their own teaching style, but my point of view is give knowledge on day in life of a DA kind of thing, plus also knowledge of all these things. You should be war ready. I mean to say, war ready means interview ready, plus you should have all those experience before jumping into any work culture in DA. That's my point of view. So let's start. We have received the file and let's open the file first and let's check. Then only we will write a confirmation mail that we have received the file, everything is okay. We will start working on Power BI tool. So first open the file, then only send a confirmation mail. So okay, file is getting okay, file is opening. That means there is no issue in that. File is not corrupted, I mean to say. File is opening properly. We have all those things. So okay, see, we have disease category and all those things. Okay, patient ID, all those things we have. So if you remember the first requirement, they have told related to these things, related to any, wait, let me show you, related to where it is, any clinical condition cluster. Anyways, we will ask them about that as well, in what basis, disease or disease category, or okay, severity level, that's also clinical condition, so we will ask about that as well. So just let's check each and everything is good. Okay, see, insurance is also there. That means for the second requirement, they have told something. Remember, they have told कि beneficiary cohort on coverage is nothing but this insurance. ठीक है, that's the thing. Coverage is nothing but insurance. So it is there. Just chill. No need to worry about. And clinic ठीक है. Okay. We have state and मतलब city and state. Okay. So sorry. So right now each and everything is okay and good to go. So there are 1,000 rows. What I can see. 1,001 might is showing because this header is this one. That's why. If I remove this header, it will be 1,000. So okay, the file is good to go and all those things. I sort of hope you are doing well. Thanks for the file, and as per the sanity check of the file, I see no issue till now, but if we need any further assistance, we will connect with you in future mails. Okay, now let's just copy and paste this. Who will write this much? Just copy and paste it. Simple. Save your time. That's it. That's what I'm trying to say. Save your time. Okay, let's read this. Hope you are doing well. Thanks for the file, and as per sanity check of the file, I see no issue till now. But if we need any further assistance, we will connect you in future mails. Okay, chalo. Send. Done and dusted. Oh, do we? No, we haven't downloaded the file as well. Let's download the file. Okay. So why it is showing 3? Because actually I have made videos as well for this. That's why. But no worries for that. Just open Power BI in your Windows laptop, or if you are using Mac, then use parallel and open this Power BI. Go to this Power BI desktop will be shown. Open, and Power BI is very easy to install. Just go to the Windows ka store, just as we have App Store and all. Go to the Windows ka store. It will open directly. Okay, it will look like that. Look like this, I mean to say. What you have to do, you can go in 2 ways. Either get data from other source or blank report, anything. I will go for blank report because I want to show you how the things looks here. Okay, everything is good. Yeah. Okay. In this you can see this is Power BI desktop. Okay, in Power BI desktop we want data. What we have in this, we have filters, we have build, all those things I will tell you in step by step way. No need to worry about. Just sit, chill, watch the video, and I am there to help you. First, it is just the front view, home view, only because it's home, that's why home view. You have to import the file here. Okay, first thing first, you have to check what kind of file it is. It's a CSV file. Okay, simple. You will go here, get data. In get data you will get several things. I will just click on more and I will show you what files can we import, and you will be very happy to see that we can import any files. Excel, .xlx, CSV, XML, JSON, this everything, SQL, PostgRE SQL. In near future video we will be connecting PostgRE SQL database with Power BI and we will work. I will show you how we can refresh data from here as well. Means you will do a change in SQL, I mean SQL server or your RDBMS. You will do a change here, you will refresh here, it will get reflected. This is what I'm trying to say. You can connect anything, even though you can connect website ka data in this. Matlab you can connect the what's the name, Wikipedia ka data to here directly with the link. I will show you that as well. Not today because today is the very basic kind of video. near future video I will show you each and everything, so no need to worry about. See, snowflake as well, big data, each and everything you can take care of. Lots of, see, you can, it is lots of things, data warehouse, lake house, whatever you want, you just name it, you will have it. That's the thing, and this is free. Like Tableau, it is paid. I mean to say, free in what sense? Most of the things in Power BI is free. Sharing part, it is paid. So that's a different thing. We don't need to go that much deep in it for now. Just for knowledge point of view, I'm talking about these things. See, Azure, Vagara, everything. You just name it, you will get it. Salesforce, everything you have. Some of the things are on testing phase. Beta version, matlab they are on testing phase. Once each and everything is done, means it will work, but still there might be some issue, there might be some bug. Like we get in Android, in iOS, we get beta phase and all those things. That's what I'm trying to say. Like beta update, I mean to say that there might be issue, there might be bugs, you have to just report it and they will correct it. Script वगैरह, python script, python R, simple. Athena we used to work when I was in python when I was in Amazon, but still Athena I think they have discontinued and started on Kibana. But anyways, let's see, all those data are there. Just to knowledge point of view, I'm showing this. And MongoDB, see, Zoho is also there, our Indian brand. We should be proud of that. Our Indian brand Zoho is also there. We can connect to that as well. That's the best thing. So that's really very proud thing to see, like our country is developing on a faster scale in technology sector. That's really a proud thing, let me tell you, and everyone should be proud of that. In all, if you go, you will see all the files, but if you go in file, you will see the segmentation of it. Matlab just in file you will get this PDF, CSV, DSV, everything. This database, SQL, you will get everything, Azure, everything online, like that, others. It is distributed in category, but in all, you will get all these things. If you want to find something, like if you don't want to scroll here, you just want to find suppose CSV, you will get that. Just example I'm saying, just click on CSV, okay, import file, CSV, connect. When you will connect, it will be directly redirecting you to the, I mean, it will ask you like which folder you want to take the data from and all. Already I have done this kind of thing. I have already kept the downloaded file in the Power BI project ka folder, and that's why it is showing. Once you download the Excel, I mean CSV file, and keep it in any of the folder, it would be visible to you. Means they will ask you like which folder you want to select and all. Simple. Just click here, open. Okay? When you click this, it will show like this, connecting and importing, all those stuffs it will show. See, it is connected. This is the data that we have seen. You won't see all the data. It will tell you like first 200 rows, but it is not like it will show you all the things. If you click on entire data set also, it won't show all the things till 166, not even 200. So that's not a issue. Okay? Just for upper hand point of view, it will show you all the things. Okay? No need to worry about. We will see all these things and afterwards. Here are three things like load, transform data, and cancel. Transform data kind of things we will learn in next kind of videos. Right now we will load it. In transform data we can edit anything. Okay? But still we won't go there. We will just be working on the drag and drop kind of thing. So we will just load it here. That's it. Click on load. Done. Because we will do the drag and drop kind of thing. That's why I told full basic means full basic. Starting phase full basic. 100,000 rows loaded, done and dusted. And you can see one more panel has been added. These are actually panels. Filter panel, build, data panels. These are actually panels. Okay? This data panel is been added here right now. You can see here, yeah, properly. Just a minute, yeah, properly. Just I will increase this a bit. Yeah, this is the file name that you have imported here. You click here, you will see all those things. What things are there? Age, blood group, city. These are the column names. You can see one thing, beside the column name there are some sigma sign, this calendar sign and all. Let me tell you what is this, but before that let us see this thing on the left side. First thing is report view, where you will create all the visual kind of things and all those things. And here, just like Excel, like I have told in the live stream a lot of time, I will be telling here as well, Power BI is built on the Excel base. That's what I'm trying to say. Like Excel we have sheets and all na, here we have page, so page 1, page 2, page 3, like this. Okay, right now we will be working on page 1 for the first requirement. For page 2, I mean for the second requirement, we will go to page 2. Okay, see this side, we have report view, table view. In table view, when you click, you will get the full data set here. ठीक है, full मतलब full till 1000. ठीक है, like that. I don't know why it is not showing, but anyways, full it will be shown. No need to worry about. File is okay, it is not corrupted. No need to worry about that as well. Right now, the main thing is what I am trying to say is like here also you can see all those things. This column name, everything. ठीक है, first thing first, when you click on this thing, you will see after age this sigma sign is there. What it is all about, this is about summarization. Whatever column, I am going to the table view right now, whatever column in the table is having numbers like age, sigma sign, number of visits, let's see that, do it have any, yeah, it is fully in integer format. Whatever data here is in integer format would be in this sigma sign. You can change it here as well. I mean to say, Power BI by default recognizes all the column data types and give you a default view. I mean to say, like this diagnosis date, from the name only you can say date is there. ठीक है, from last visit date, you can, by the name only you can say date is there and all. ठीक है, but do you see anywhere sigma here apart from the only number wala column? No. See here, patient ID is there. It is a variable character mixture of numbers and I mean alphabets. Variable character, I mean to say. Only age is having numbers, pure numbers. ठीक है, pure numbers. And number of visits is having pure numbers. ठीक है, apart from that nothing rocket science. मतलब I mean to say no number is there. Apart from that everything is either full string, full text, or either variable character like this, a b I mean a b positive, o negative, like that. This is the third thing, that is model view. In model view you will get a small view of this thing, this data thing. ठीक है, what is the use of it? It is used for creating star schemas and snowflake schemas. Snowflake means not that big data wala snowflake. Snowflake is all about fact and distribution, that we will learn in near future. Just for knowledge point of view I am showing it here. ठीक है, this DAX and TMDL, it is better to learn afterward, but still I will click and show you here. Whatever DAX you have written, it will show you it here. TMDL, I will tell you afterwards about it. It is all about what things are there and all those scripts writing kind of things. Rather than moving it here, it is better to right now take care of these two things, because these are the basic things which should be taken care of on the first day of Power BI, that is report view and table view. ठीक है, so right now we have two queries in front of us. ठीक है, first query what we have, it is like verification of distribution of beneficiary population across clinical condition cluster. But we have one issue here, we have one confusion here. Like we have lots of things which is related to clinical cluster, that is disease category, severity level, related to person's clinical review. I mean to say related to person's clinical history or data. Do we have anything else? No, everything else related to doctor, then visit, insurance, xyz. So my doubt is like, in what point of view we have to find out the data? Is it related to disease? Is it related to disease category? Is it related to severity level? For that we have to mail him. Let's mail him. Oops. Hi Saurav. Hope uh, this really I don't like writing this line again and again, but still professionalism first. We will say like I was going through the file on first glance and I found out that as per the first requirement I can see the clinical, I don't know the spelling. Okay, let me just check. Clinical, I thought it is CLE, but anyways I can see the clinical review as connect clinical review of the patient is connected to 3 columns. That is, let's write that as well. Disease category, severity level. Disease category and severity level. Severity, but just for spelling point of view, severity level. I can see the clinical review of patient is connected to 3 column, that is disease category, severity level. So my question is, in what point of view do we need to find out the output? ठीक है, that's the thing, that's our question, simple as that. We won't be asking that much because they are not asking for DAX or something, so just chill way we will ask. Regards. Why I'm writing this when I have all these things? Paste. Okay, it's done easily. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Hope you are doing well. I was going through the file at first glance and I found out that as per the first requirement I can see the clinical review of the patient is connected to 3 columns, that is disease category and severity level. So my question is, in what point of view do we need to find out the output? Simple, let's send them and let's wait for the reply mail that we will receive from the point of contact, that is Saurabh. Okay, let's wait for them. Okay, so we have received a mail from them for the previous mail that we have sent related to the severity, I mean to say related to the history or data of the patients. And what I can see is like disease category, but still we will read the mail from start to end, then only we will move to the final decision. So hi Shubham, thank you for going through the file and sharing your observation. That's a good thing. For the first requirement, we need to consider disease category as the main point of view for deriving output. Okay, that's they have written in this and we are good to go. This is as per the guidance from our senior admin specialist. The disease and severity level column can be used as a supporting information, but primary focus should be on disease category. So we will take only disease category from this and we will work on that. ठीक है, we will write sort of thanks for the reply. We will work on this requirement as soon as possible. ठीक है, so we will take care of these things and we will, ठीक है, we will work on this requirement as soon as possible and just do this done and dusted. ठीक है, sent. Now let's move to this, and right now we will be starting our first visual here. ठीक है, not dashboard, nothing. It will be just drag and drop and learning about the basic things in Power BI. ठीक, and you will be very surprised to see like all the things what you have learned in Excel will be applied here. So just chill, and it is very easy, believe me. First thing first, what we will do, see, as they have told, you can use anything मतलब कि like they have told any visual you can use. Still we will be using the visuals as per the professionalism and as per the requirement. Right now they have asked for the count of patients by disease category. ठीक है, for that we will be using either bar or either column chart. ठीक है, so okay, whatever visuals you want to add, you can add from here, like from build wala panel, or you can directly go to home. If it is not in home, directly go to home. In this you have a insert tab. In insert tab you just go here for the visual gallery, click here. Why I am saying this thing, because in this we can see the visuals that is categorized as per the view. Bar and column categorized in this, line and area categorized in line wala part, this funnel and all categorized in this, pie chart, donut categorized. Like here you will see mix up of everything. Here you will be able to see the name, category name, not the visual name. Like visual name, for that you have to hover over the mouse pointer on the visual, then you will get the name. Then all those things you can see here. Take all those things. So right now we will be using column chart. ठीक है, you can use anything. For now I am using column chart, so you can use anything, clustered, stack, everything. I want to use clustered column chart. ठीक है, you can use bar chart as well, but still I will be using cluster. Your wish, you can use any, no worries for that. It is in page 1 and we can rename page 1 as well. We will rename is like count, oops sorry, count of patient by disease category. Simple, you can write like this and you will get the full page name here. Why I am saying this, to adapt this thing, I mean to say you have to adapt this thing so that you would be able to know about what page is having what requirement. That's the thing. ठीक है, professionalism first. ठीक, this is the thing we have added, this is the visual we have added. To add anything here, you have to click here first. Right now see my mouse pointer, where is it? It is here, right? Simple, on the left side, left corner. So if it is not selected now, it will show like that. You have to select this to add any column here. ठीक है, in the visuals I mean to say, when you go to this visual and click, see all these things will come, all these things will come, data things, everything will come, suggest a visual and all those things. ठीक है, when you click on the outside panel, you will see nothing is selected. That's what I'm trying to say, because if you go like this and add these things, this column name, it won't work. See, you can add these things, it will give something else. ठीक है, that's what I'm trying to say, that's what I'm trying to say. ठीक, if you add some, if you want to add something in the visual that you have selected, go take your mouse pointer on the visual, click it. Once you see everything is there, it will show you like this. The build wala part will show you x-axis, y-axis, legend, small multiples, tooltip. Same thing, whatever things you are seeing here and here, suggestion, same thing will be seen on this. Add data and build your visual. Once you click it, see, suggest a visual is there. See, same thing here, x-axis, y-axis, legend, small multiple, tooltips. X-axis, y-axis, legend, small multiple, tooltips. Suggestions is here, suggestions is also here. Simple as that, no worries. Basics things, full basic. Right now what we will add, we will be taking the disease category. How to add disease category here? There are 3 steps. ठीक है, Either you can just drag and drop like this. This is the first step. I will show you second step. Second step is directly go here, add data. You will get all the column names. You can directly click here, this is category, simple. Third thing, you can add here as well. Same thing, matlab you can just drag and drop like this, or you can go here and add same. Tick. That's the way you can do it. You can just drag and drop here as well on the visual, but still we have x-axis, y-axis here. So I mean to say to be specific on everything and drag the column name to the particular area where you want to place your column. Simple. So we will be taking care of this requirement using disease category done and dusted. Now we will take care of the patients. Okay. Once you go and see the table view, you will see each and every patient have their own patient ID. Okay. And each and every patient and patient ID have their own disease category like chronic. Then what we have? Let's see. Okay, you can go here and check as well, just like Excel. Chronic, acute, cardiac, neurology, respiratory. Just like Excel, you can go and check. Okay. I thought we will able to see all the data by just scrolling 2-3 times, but I was wrong. You can directly go here in the table view. This one, table view. Just go to the drop down menu and you will see all those things. Okay. So what we can see here, we can see there are 5 disease category present in the table. ठीक है, वापस go to report view. ठीक, and in y axis just take and drag the patient ID. ठीक है, because we need number of patients in each and every category. This is what they have asked here. ठीक है, proportional distribution of population, beneficiary population across clinical condition cluster, which is disease category. So it is like population distribution according to this cluster, which is disease category, and done and dusted. Here you can take care of these two things, like when you hover over the mouse, you can see the data as per the graph, chart. Also you can do one more thing by the count way. Matlab you want what kind of scenario, like count distinct or count what, like that. See, count distinct or count normal. So I want count distinct, so I have to click it here. You will get the thing and it's done and dusted. Simple as that. First requirement done, but you have to be very specific to the mail. We thought first requirement done, but let me show you one thing. Here what it is written, please ensure the report canvas include a clear heading of patients by disease category. So just copy it, take care of the small things, otherwise there would be an issue. Okay, you will just go here, double click on this. When you double click on this, you will see like this kind of new panel, that is format panel. Go on title. Okay, on title it is on and off. If you want the title to be seen here, then on, or otherwise off. But we want the title to be seen here because they have given a specific title name. Text is given, double click, paste, simple as that. Take, done and dusted. Close the panel, done and dusted, khatam. The panel is also hidden. Okay, you will see like this kind of things, panel requirement as per your requirement. Okay, if you want this to be changed, which is your requirement, once you click it, you will see all those panels and all. So no need to worry about, we will see all those things in this video only. Okay, so title has been changed, like patients by disease category. We have changed the title here. Okay, simple, nothing additional to be changed, everything done and dusted. Now let's move to the second part where we want the bifurcation about identifying beneficiary cohort on has their coverage confirmed versus those whom are not established. Matlab, in simple word, they are asking like they have insurance or not. Don't just have a fear about the English things that they have written. They have written hi-fi English, I can understand it, but actually they are asking, see, coverage confirm is what? Simple, insurance. because this data only what we have here. Insurance, they are asking for whom, like whoever is having insurance, confirm, versus whoever is not having insurance. ठीक है, simple thing. Don't worry about whatever English they have written. If you are having any issue in understanding their requirement, just mail them, कि in my point of view I need to ask about the insurance, yes or no. Is it this things you are trying to ask in the requirement mail, or is it something else? They will say either yes or either no, and they will give answer. If it is no, they will give a answer. If yes, then you're good to go. ठीक है, so we will go move to page 2 and rename it. Rename how we will write insurance, yes or no. Simple language, no need to worry about. And as they have told, you can use any visuals here. I will be using pie chart or donut. Pie chart, let's take pie chart. ठीक है, I will show you something here if it is not on by default. In pie chart, same things you will see: legend, values, detailed tooltips. Legend, values, detailed tooltips. In this we will drag insurance. ठीक है, we will drag insurance in legends. Where is it? Yeah, ठीक है, insurance we have dragged. Legend is what? This is the normal box, like when you would be learning the statistics and data interpretation, you would be seeing like in a graph, to identify the bar charts or to identify anything, they have a detail at the side. ठीक है, is it insurance, yes or no, or is it male, female, is it xyz, whatever color they have or whatever design they have, like cross or dot design, they will give a detail. So legends is this only the detail, nothing else. ठीक है, right now like yes or no, simple. For values we will add what? Patient id. ठीक है, simple. You can add patient name as well. Anyhow we will be able to only see the numbers, that's it. So in this what it is showing, yes this many people are having insurance, no this many people are not having insurance, simple as that. ठीक है, count, distinct, khatam, simple, no rocket science, nothing. If you want to add this data label, suppose this data label are not showing, you can directly go here as well and you can check, but no need to. I don't think it will show you. Like legends is on, everything is okay, so no need to worry about. It's, let me check. I don't think anything need data labels. Yeah, data labels is on. If you close it, it won't show you the things. ठीक है, this is already, मतलब by default it was on. That's what I'm trying to say. I want to show it here specifically, because if by default this thing is switched off, don't get panic on that. Directly click on this, format panel will open, go to data on the visual part, drag down, मतलब scroll down, you will get the data label section, switch it on, khatam. ठीक है, khatam. Outside means outside, inside means inside. ठीक है, simple like Excel it is. I told you like Excel, khatam. ठीक, and when you click this you will see the difference in that. But anyways, our second requirement is done and dusted. What we will do next, oops, sorry, what we will do next, we will save the file, and in this I will say Power BI. I will write December project, because in YouTube we will be uploading and seeing this video on December 1st, that's why. But you have to ask like what file name you have to save. Just for simple point of view, normal point of view, I am saving this file on this. ठीक है, and this thing is like desktop Power BI project, the same folder where the file was there. ठीक है, and when you save it, done, khatam, easy. Go to this and just reply this. Sorry, just go here and reply, hi Saurav. Then same thing, hope you are doing well, thanks to tab, like, and thanks to this autocorrect or auto suggestion thing from Gmail, that we can click on tab and we'll get all these things. We have Then the requirement part in the above mail and attaching the file in this mail. ठीक है, let's see this. I think full stop and attach the file. We will go like this. PFA. Please find the PFA the file. ठीक है, it's like please find the attached, but still just click on this, otherwise it will just I know it will show like that. I don't know why. I don't know why I'm typing. That's the main thing. Just copy it and paste it here. Simple. Yeah, simple. So let us read. Hope you are doing well. We have done the requirement part in above mail and attached the file in this mail. But we have not attached. We will attach it right now. And don't send the mail like this. Check the mail or do a cross check 2-3 times before sending the mail. ठीक है, attach file. What was the file name? Power BI December project. Select, open, done, attached. And acha, one more thing I want to add here. In Power BI, the file format will be .pbix. ठीक है, it is like .pbix. PBIX is the Power BI का format. Like for Excel we have Excel, CSV and all. For Word we have .dox या doc. .doc रहता है. Yeah, for Word file I mean to say. PowerPoint we have, I forgot what we have. But anyways, for Power BI, for PowerPoint I forgot. Actually I have to see what it is. For Power BI it is .pbix. And remember that. ठीक है, just for interview point of view, if the interviewer asked like what is the file format for this, for the fresher interviewer point of view, just tell .pbix is the file name and send it. And let's wait for the next mail or next requirement, or let's see what they mail us next. Okay, so we have received a mail with respect to the previous mail. I mean, we have sent a file to them that we have done this things. I mean, the requirement things we have done. We have sent them the file, and right now we have a new mail. I think with 2 new requirements, but let's see, because I can see the requirement part. That's why. Let's see. Okay, so it is from the I mean the analytics team. So just the same person we used to contact previously. So it is like, hi Shubham, hope you are doing well. First of all, I wanted to appreciate the previous Power BI work you shared. That's a good one. The output was exactly in the line of what we are expecting, only the visual layer representation and without any DAX involvement. Plus, yeah, and without moving towards any dashboard oriented structuring. See, this is what they have asked for, and this is what we have delivered from our own side. This is the beauty of understanding and having a good relationship with client and freelance gig. This is how you create good and a positive relationship with the client. Simple as that. So we will see this simplified visualization only style is what our senior review prefers. So please continue in that direction for all upcoming tasks as well. Moving forward, we have 2 additional items to be incorporated. That means 2 requirements are there, and our strike was correct. It was related to 2 requirements that they have sent us. But I am mentioning them in the manner in which they were conveyed to us. Please interpret them accordingly. Okay, let's see what they have asked for. 2 things they have asked for. First is geographic distribution requirement. Okay, so right now we will be moving to map section. Like in Tableau we have map, same thing for this Power BI also we have map thing, and we will move to that things as well. And as you remember, like if you don't remember, no worries for that. In the first requirement, when we are doing a sanity check on the table view, you might have seen the city and state column in the table, right? So with the help of that only we can use, I mean, we can use these two columns and use it in our map wala visual. But still, let us read that. Patient wise spatial distinction, kindly structure the city level. Okay, they have asked for city level, that's it. City level and patient ID is required till now, in such a way that the mapping layer should represent aggregated positioning of the individual as per their residential attribute. Recently, the visual should express patient city clustering on map format, but ensure it remains within the same non-DAX, non-dashboard constraint pattern as earlier. Good. Demographic tabular alignment. This is the second thing. Also, we require to a consolidated linear tabular formation where the identification parameter, that is name, okay, name, patient name, should be there in association with the age, derivation, gender, attribute, and city linkage, all unified under one singular table view component. Okay, they have directly told table view visual should be used. Please maintain it in the same display only manner. They have written and told. Similar to the previous approved format, previous mail, like they have told now we have to use this, we have to use that's the thing. Let me know once you go through the above so we can proceed. Okay, we are good to go, we can proceed. Hi Saurav, hope you are doing well. I am ready with the requirement part, and also we can move with the work as early as possible. Okay, simple as that. Copy and paste it. Okay, done and dusted. Simple. Hi Saurabh, hope you are doing well. I'm ready with the requirement part, and also we can move with the work as early as possible. Simple, sent, done and dusted. Move to this. Rename it as map. That's it. Map per patients. Okay. That's it. Simple as that. They need a demographic review for this. Simple. For that, first thing first, you have to use this visual. You can go here or here. Let's go here and see maps is there. Okay. Before that, we have to do one thing. We have to do a check in our Power BI system. I know these things are not switched on by default. That's why I'm saying. Just go to this file part. Okay, or save it. First save it. Go to the file part. In this, move to options and setting. Okay, move to options. In this, why I'm saying you have to switch on the map wala part. Why I'm saying if you do not switch it on, let me show you what will happen. Okay, let's first cancel this, and I will show you what's the issue if we don't switch it on. Okay, first let's see the issue, then only we understand why we have to switch that on. Okay, once you drag city here na, it will show like this. Map and field map are, I mean, visuals are disabled. That's why I'm saying. Okay, that's why I'm saying first switch that on, otherwise you will face this kind of situation. Okay, delete it. Where we map matlab home, this, not home, sorry, file. Then in global you will see there is one option called security. Go here, click that. Okay, there are a lot of things here, no need to check out that. Just go here, map and field map visuals. Actually these things are written on the this part. When in the warning part, you might have seen you have to go to file, then options, global, security, and these things only I am doing, nothing else. Go and switch it on, then click OK. Click OK. That's it, nothing else. Save it, just save, close this thing, close it. I'm saying close it. ठीक. Once you close it, go again and open the Power BI thing. Close it and open it. I mean to say restart the Power BI, because when I was working, I remember my earlier like working days in this, it do not used to get refreshed, let me tell you. So first close it, again reopen it, take. And this was our project, Power BI December project. Click it, it will show you all those things, it will load the data, everything. See, simple, done and dusted. Directly go on map, click it here, click it like this. Just a minute, let me increase a little bit. Yeah, click it here, that's it. Right now we have all those columns are also done, age, this things. We will just drag and drop the location part, and what they have told, they have want city level occurrence, simple as that, nothing else. Just take city in location. Okay, now see what it will show you. Yeah, city level location given, and after that in this patient id, add this in legends where it is patient id, that's it. Okay, simple as that. When you click on this, you will be able to see what patient names, well, what patient ids are there, that's it, nothing else. You can see all those things, nothing else, simple as that. Take, these things will be given, size and portion. If you want, you can add the size of it, it will increase. Okay, it will increase, nothing else. Padding everything is there. In what padding, like if you are into website development, you would be able to know about this padding things, but no need to worry about, just chill about it. We can see the use of maps in this. Okay, what we can see, just click it here, you will see, able to see what patients are there. Okay, it changes every time, it changes. Take, that's it. If you click it here this way also, you can see where it is pointing out, simple as that. That's the use of map in this. This is just the basic use of map. More things are there to come in the upcoming project, so just chill. Take, these are the maps, that's it. This is how you can change the title, but still they haven't told anything to change the title, that's why I'm saying, so no need to do anything else. Okay, first requirement for the second mail is done. Right now let's move to the second requirement and let's see what they have asked. Actually, I also forgot what they have asked. They have asked, required to consolidate linear tabular formation where the identification parameter association with age, gender, city. So they are wanting a table view format of the patient's name connected with the age, gender, city. Okay, let's move here, rename it. What we will say, uh, let's write patient details. Okay, simple as that, right? Patient details. In this, what they have told, to add something called linear wala, linear tabular formation. Let's see what we have in this visual. Okay, we have table and matrix. This is table and all, so just click on the table. Okay, bring it in the between like this, bring this in the between, that's it. Right now we will add all those columns. Okay, you can add it here, you can add it here, your wish. First thing, they have asked for the patient's name, you will add it here, I will add it here. Okay, to showcase all those things. Okay, we were adding all the column here as well from the starting point of view, I just want to show it here. You can do either way, your wish. Second, they have asked for the name. Let me check once. Sorry, name bol raha hu, age. ठीक ठीक है, पेशेंट दिस एंड एज, ठीक, सिंपल एज दैट. थर्ड थिंग, दे वांट जेंडर, ठीक है. Here you can change all those things, sums and all. Don't summarize, just don't summarize, ठीक है. No need to summarize because they haven't asked for the sum as well, ठीक है. So no need to summarize about it. Third, I mean the last thing they have asked for the city, ठीक है, simple, done and dusted, and we can see the requirement is done and dusted, ठीक. All the requirement related to patient name, age, gender, city as presented in this requirement. Nothing to do, just save it, go to the mail and reply to them. What happened here? Oh my god, what happened? We have done the work as per requested by you in the previous mail and attach the file in this mail, ठीक है, simple. pf है the file, why I am typing this I don't know again. Copy, paste it. Wait, why are we pasting this? I think I have done some mistake. Just thank God we haven't sent the mail to them for that. This. Hi Saurav, hope you are doing well. Oops. We have done the work as per requested by you in the previous mail and attach the file. So we will attach the file here. This is Power BI December project.pbix. Open it. 95 KB done and dusted. 95k KB, sorry. So we have attached the file and let's wait for the new requirement or anything new from them, and let's send the mail right now. Just wait for the next mail, okay? So we have received a mail from the client, I mean from the same person, same point of view, I mean point of contact from the client side, and this is a big mail. Let's read it from starting to ending part. So it's like, hi Shubham, hope you everything is going well on your side. That's good. And yes, everything is going well till now. Just a minute. Yeah, I wanted to share a quick appreciation note regarding the previous work submission. The way you maintained the same representation only format without involving any advanced expression or dashboard style element was exactly aligned with our senior reviewer expected framework. That's a good thing, like they are liking our work. It is simple, like whatever thing they have asked for, if you give, I mean if you work on the same path or on the same page as they are, you will get appreciation and you will create a positive impact of your on them. The clarity of visual without additional functional layering was highly acknowledged by the internal team. As we proceed ahead, there are two more requirement points that have been conveyed for the next iteration. Okay, I am mentioning them in the same interpretational phrasing received from the senior reviewer. So kindly decode them accordingly. Okay, no doubt, no issues. Temporal diagnosis spreadsheet requirement, maybe related to diagnosis something. Okay, let's read it. What I can believe, we need a monthly wise illustration where the diagnostic event count allocate. Okay, indirectly they are saying diagnosis per month, ठीक है, what I can see from here. Event count allocation should appear in the progressive temporal spread. In simple terms, the requirement expects that the monthly segmentation should reflect the diagnosis dispersion pattern but maintain the same non calculation non dashboarded representation method. Okay, no worries, no worries. So it should be like that, like we are doing no DAX, nothing. Second thing what they have asked for is like clinical authority condition cross relationship display. Okay, something we have to do some cross relationship kind of work, means cross relationship in column from the data set. There is a need for a structural layout where the treating entity, obviously doctor are the treating entity identifier, must be positioned in relative alignment with the clinical condition classification, that is disease. Okay, earlier they were asking for the disease category. Right now they have given, specifically they have given, because earlier we have written a mail, that's why specifically they have given the requirement, that is disease, like clinical condition classification disease. The expectation is to visualize how each clinical authority correspond to the disease category instances. Each clinical authority मतलब patients. Okay, yet ensuring the component stays within the simplified direct visual format similar to earlier approved style. Okay, earlier approved style मतलब anything you can use, there is nothing like that. Understanding, so we can move forward. How clinical authority correspond to disease category instances. They have asked relationship alignment in clinical condition, ठीक है, and expectation to visualize how each clinical authority correspond to disease category, and yet ensuring the component stays within the specific direct visual format similar to earlier approved style. Okay, it is clear, no worries for that. They have already written what they want, so it's like I sort of we are clear with the requirements and will start working on it for the project. ठीक है, done and dusted. Let's copy and paste it here. This thing's done, send it, simple as that, and start working on that. So let's make this requirement in a new page and write diagnosis per month, simple monthly diagnosis they have asked. And in this it would be better to use anything column or bar chart. Let's see what we have. Let's take column chart this time. Okay, let's take that and let's increase a little bit. Yeah, it's good to go. Right now what we need the diagnosis date. So here we will be dealing with the calendar wala column. Now see, I am just dragging x-axis diagnosis date. So when you drag the calendar wala column in this visual part, you will see Power BI automatically distribute these things, मतलब year, quarter, month and day. ठीक है, that is automatic by default. I have not done anything, just took this, drag and drop, that's it. Right now if you check the mail, what they have asked for, they have asked for monthly wise illustration where diagnosis event count allocation should appear in progressive temporal spreadsheet. स्प्रेड मतलब वही. तो अभी क्या करना है, व्हाट वी हैव टू डू मंथली वाइज. सो क्वार्टर और डेट रिमूव, सिंपल. मंथ एंड ईयर, in this they have asked for the what we say patient का detail. तो patient ID is a good thing. Patient का detail, patient ID. Right now I have seen here month is there. Remove this. Yeah, sorry, month was there. I have also kept here. Sorry for that. Right now we can see the graph is done and dusted. No rocket science. But we will do one thing in this they have, like, they are asking for diagnosis dispersion pattern. They are asking for a pattern. They have not told if it is ascending, descending, nothing they have told. They are asking for a pattern. It should not be like this. It should not be like this. They are asking for a pattern, if it is ascending, if descending, like that I'm saying. So you can add anything, any format. Just go here. Oh, sorry, not in this. Just go here, the three dots for ascending order. Short axis, I will be shorting in patient ID, number of patient visited per month. So click this count of patient ID. Okay. Right now shorted in either ascending, either descending, your wish. They have not written anything, no need to worry about. If they would have written anything, you should have done that thing, either ascending, either descending. Right now they haven't asked for anything, but they have asked for a pattern. Any pattern you can give it right here. Simple as that, and we have done it. Diagnosis per month. Right now let's move to the second requirement. Let's see what is the second requirement. I actually forgot about it. It is cross authority conditional cross relationship. Okay, they are asking for doctor name, disease with the patient ID. ठीक है. Let's see what rename, what should we rename it like. Should I write doctor versus disease with respect to patient. ठीक है, done and dusted. Doctor versus disease with respect to patient. So they are asking for cross functional. Whenever you are working on a let me save this. Whenever you are working on a cross functional thing, make sure you are using this matrix thing. This one is matrix. I know it is matrix, but if you don't know what is matrix, you would just have to go in this new visual part and just hover over this, and you will see matrix is here. Okay, no doubt, if no issue if you don't know about the matrix part, no issue in that, as everyone is fresher here, no need to worry about. I have worked in that, that's why I can directly go here and find out the matrix. But when I was at your stage, I was doing the same. I was going to this wala ribbon, matlab this ribbon I am going during my freshers point of view. When I was on a learning stage, I mean to say, I used to go here and check out what is matrix, what is slice, or what is funnel, all those things. So I would say you should also start using this ribbon wala part for visualization or for the visuals. Once you are like knowledge friendly about these visuals, you can automatically start using this. Okay, but as per my suggestion, start using any of the visuals from this point, matlab this ribbon wala part. Okay, so here table and matrix, just click on matrix, bring it here. Just oops, what happened. ठीक है, डन एंड डस्टेड. थोड़ा सा इसको, हाँ, ओके. We will add things here because here it's like dragging, like keeping this, like dragging the column from one point to a different point is a tough thing. That's why thanks to Power BI for giving this feature here. In this we have three things: rows, columns, and values. In rows they have asked for doctor name. How I know? It is given, everybody knows it. Doctor name. Then we will go for the disease. And what should be the see, this is cross functional. If you can see, we will be taking care of the patient IDs here. What patient is having what disease and with what doctor they have consulted with. This look very unprofessional, let me tell you. Just give the sum part of it, मतलब sum, मतलब just give here total sum of the patients, and here also same thing. How to do it? You have to follow a process. First thing, go with the patient id here, go here, count distinct, ठीक है, automatically it will set. If it does not show you all these things, मतलब row and column का the sum and all, just double click here, you will see the format panel. In format panel, scroll down, you will see these two things. Let me just show you here. Column subtotal and row subtotal. If it is not switched on by default, no need to panic. Suppose if it is like that, just click on this part anywhere. Click on this, format panel will open automatically. Just scroll down, you will see these two things, column subtotal and row subtotal. Just click on, ठीक है, like if you click on the column, sorry, what happened, now column subtotal, you will be easily able to see the column ka total part here, like 23 plus 25 48, all those things. Want to see the row subtotal, just click on this. Now it looks professional, so just close it, collapse it, close anything you do. Now you see it looks professional. Abe energy, how many, I mean to say how many patients he have handled, 25. And in migraine, how many patients were there, total in migraine is 104. Everything comes to a point of 1000 patients that I have told you in the previous, in the starting of the video, like 1000 patients were there, that's it. It is cross functional, and for cross functional work you always need metrics, ठीक है, make sure you remember that. Right now just save it, go to mail, reply and write, hi Saurav, just write ki we have done our work with the given requirements from the previous mail and attach the file for the same, ठीक है, done and dusted. I won't write this, I will just copy and paste it, this full thing. Just copy and paste it here, simple as that. So we will go and recheck what we have written. We have done our work with the given requirement from the previous mail and attach the file for the same. We will go here, attach the file, open. We have attached the file, simple as that, and we will send it and wait for the next mail for the new requirements. So we have received the mail from the client side and let's read. अभी जहाँ तक मेरे को दिख पा रहा है ये पावर बीआई टीम से मेल है, बट लेट्स सी क्या उन्होंने भेजा हुआ है यहाँ पे. Like, hi Shubham, hope you are doing well. This is Power BI team from the client side. Okay, let's me check. अच्छा, ओके, HPI BI टीम, ठीक. अच्छा, उन्होंने कॉपी भी किया हुआ, सो इट इज़ प्योरली BI टीम है, सेंड अस द मेल. सो एक नया डोमेन ऐड हुआ हमारे मेल के स्ट्रिंग में. लेट्स सी क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है इनका. This is the Power BI team from the client side. That's a good thing. And we wanted to take a moment to acknowledge the steady precision with which you have delivered the previous output. Thanks for that. कि BI team से appreciation आ रहा है, that means it's a good thing. Your adherence to the visual only structure, keeping everything free from DAX, layers, dashboard framework or functional over embellishment has been particularly noted and appreciated by our senior reviewer. That means they are reviewing side by side. मतलब हम लोग जो मेल भेज रहे हैं फाइल के साथ, वो लोग साइड बाय साइड दे आर रिव्यूइंग इट. सो दैट्स अ गुड थिंग. प्लीज कंटिन्यू मेंटेनिंग द that exact direction. Okay, before we close the current cycle. Okay, that means this is the last requirement. Like after that we won't be getting any requirement, which I think, because this is the last, I mean this is the last mail, because they told like we close the current cycle closing matlab ki what's the mean of current cycle, like this process, the string, this chain is getting closed, means this is the last thing, last mail from them for this mail string, I mean to say for this mail string matlab this requirement of this project. So we are sharing the last consolidated requirement set. This is the thing what I was talking about. So like this kind of scenario, like this kind of words you will be able to see mostly. These points are being conveyed exactly in the interpretational format provided to us, so kindly align with them accordingly. Okay, severity level interactive filtering mechanism. Okay, so they are asking समथिंग टू सीवेरिटी लेवल, जैसे कि सीवेरिटी लेवल का एक कॉलम था, आई हैव सीन दैट बट वी विल चेक अगेन. इंट्रोड्यूस अ स्लाइसर बेस्ड ऑन सीवेरिटी एट्रीब्यूट सच दैट मॉडिफाइंग इट्स वैल्यू शुड proportionally influence the visible quantification of patients. Okay, the slicer should act as a primary selective controller determining the displayed patient volume with disease history within the existing simplified representation approach. Okay, we will understand this, no worries. I'm just reading the 4 requirement, then we will write a mail and then we will understand the things. Severe, because see BI team is sent, so we have to write the mail as well. Severity distribution across disease categorization. Develop a visual where the various severity tiers are to be reflected against the border disease category grouping. The visualization should express how severity stratification is distributed under each disease category, remain strictly with non-DAX, non-dashboard model previously followed. Okay. Healthcare facility patient load reflection and an insight component identifying which clinical facility hospital clinic has managed the highest aggregated patient volume. This comparative load display should remain aligned with your earlier visual only structure, not extending into dashboard style formatting. ठीक है. Okay, temporal diagnosis isolation for 2024 city level layering. Okay. Okay, isolation incorporate a filtering capability that isolate the dataset to only those diagnoses occurring within year 2024. So here we will be seeing because right now from the file we can see that it is FY 2024 matlab April 2023 to March end 2024. So for this, I mean diagnosis occurring within the year 2024 is all about January, February, March of, I mean 3 months ka data we have to show. Within that same filtered scope, reflect the city level spread along the corresponding blood group. Okay, city and blood group, maintaining the same minimalistic approval aligned visual representation. Additionally, we want to inform you that we have some new work. New freelance domain workload is expected to initiate in the upcoming month or two. Okay, so right now we are getting new work from the finance team as well. So we will be working with them, and as they've wrote like in a month or two. Just let's see. Let's hope for the best, because if we get the work I will make project on that as well. Based on your performance so far we anticipate looping you into a track. Okay, so we are inside this project, finance project, into that track as well, subject to internal scheduling. Good, please review the above and share the acknowledgement once ready. This so let's write this. Hi BI team, or I would say hi Hari. Hope you are doing well. Thanks for the appreciation for the work that we did as per the requirements and we are ready to take up the work from finance team as well. Well, once done with the work, I will soon send the file in the upcoming email. ठीक है, done and dusted. Now just not this, and right now they have copied, they have done CC to them, so we should also CC to this. We'll CC to them as well. So that's a good work from us. We have done a really good work. We have maintained the decorum. Also we have maintained our, what we say, that presentation, that positive work in front of our client. So they have also given our additional work related to finance, and we will also work with that team as well. So that's a good thing that we did a requirement and we are ready to take up the work from the finance team as well. Once done, this. Let's send that and let's wait for the next mail. Okay? Let's work with that thing. So we require some of the work that we can see is like severity level filtering mechanism. Okay, so severity level filtering, for filtering we need slice. Okay, simple as that. We need slicer, I mean to say. Go here, click on this slicer, clicked, select that severity level here. Simple. You will get filtration point of view. Matlab in Excel, we used to filter all this by clicking all this thing, filters and all. Okay, same thing happens here, and we will be using this with what? Patient with disease history. Okay, we will be using bar chart here. Oops, sorry. See, that's the mistake. Just select here, unselect it, add a bar chart here. Just add the patient history, I mean to say disease history for the patient. So disease patient ID. Simple. Why we did this? Let me show you. See where when you click, it is in Power BI. Actually what happens is like it, everything is connected to it. Okay, everything is connected to this, and when you click on moderate, it is getting connected. When you click on mild, it is getting connected. See, when we click anything, if you click on this filter, it is just like a filter. Simple. You can see it's just like a filter. When you click on moderate, it changes, means viral fever number of patients changes. See, it is 46 for moderate. Right now you check for mild, 64. For severe, oh sorry, let me show you one thing. For migraine, it is 64. For moderate, let me see, do we have migraine? Yeah, 36. For severe, do we have migraine? Yeah, 4. This is how I want to show you, like how each and everything is connected by default in Power BI. Okay, whatever you visuals you create, whatever options you create, You just click it and it will show you the filtration. If you unselect it and if you select this here as well, this also will get selected if you add one more visual which is connected to this. Connection is created by default from Power BI. You don't have to add anything or something else from your own side. Okay, simple as that. So severe, this things for asthma mild में you can check. For only asthma you can see. ठीक है. Earlier we used to see migraine. ना, select migraine, moderate, mild, each and everything you can see easily. This is the first requirement with it. Oops, sorry, I don't want to delete it. I just want to rename it. Slicer with severity level. Second thing, what we need something category, right? Severity level category. Okay, we need a visual various. See, severity level, we need to act with the disease category. Simple as that. How we will do it? Simple, severity with disease category. Simple as that. ठीक है. Oops, sorry for that. I have to delete one by one for this. I don't know why. In this we will be taking care of column chart. What we say, stacked column. Let's take column chart. It would be a better thing. In column chart, what they have asked, reflectors disease category grouping. Severity ties are reflected against the disease category. मतलब disease category would be there. ठीक है. Disease category would be there in y-axis. Suppose not this, not disease category should be in y-axis. And what we say, where it is, visual display express of severity, disease category. Okay, disease category should be there here with patient ID. Let me show you. Okay, like this. Okay, disease category, patient ID. Yeah, and they have asked to stack reflected against, मतलब severity tiers would be reflected against this. Develop a visual. That means we have to add a legend in this. मतलब severity level, if you add legend, it will show like that. ठीक है, it will show like that. Like legends we have seen in some previous work. If I remember, let me check this legend. Yes or no? Same thing we will be seeing here, but the severity level means bar chart would be there, and in bar chart how many, I mean to say the mild, moderate and severe level are there, that is also bifurcated or distributed properly in the bar chart. That's what we are seeing here. Simple as that. Have they told to add this? No. Okay. Right now let's move to the third part. I'll have third requirement. Take. Oh, sorry. What is the third requirement? I have forward. Healthcare facility patient load reflection. Okay, means clinic hospital managed with highest patient volume. Okay, it is simple. Simple means I would say hospital patient volume. ठीक है. Oh, I don't know why I'm doing this kind of mistakes. Hospital patients volume should be created here. And column chart stacked क्या? let's take stacked column chart here, and I want hospital with patient ID. ठीक है, hospital with patient ID. Have they told anything? I think this much is what they have asked for. Highest, manage the highest. Okay, manage the highest matlab we can add it like this with ascending to descending order. ठीक है, we can add with short axis number of, it is already done like that in descending order. matlab see 120, then 120 same, 117, 116, 112. So it is already in descending order, no need to worry about. ठीक है, properly done and dusted, no worries for that. I think they have asked something else. क्या, they haven't asked something. मतलब this is the easiest one I think I have did in my project, let me tell you. Anyways, let's move to the fourth one. Fourth, what they have asked? Fourth, they have asked for temporal diagnosis isolation for year 2024. Okay, here we will be taking, let me rename it properly. Let me rename it patients diagnosed on 2024. ठीक है, simple. Patients diagnosed on, spelling is correct, I hope, on 2024. For that, what you will do, first thing first, you have to take care of the calendar column. ठीक है, for calendar column what we have diagnosis date. Without adding anything, just you have to filter out the 2024 ka data. Just go here, or you can go here, simple, just go here and you can see what we have. As this is financial year 2024, that means obviously it would be from 1/1/2024. You can see here, it is like let me show you this thing where it is. See, I hope you can see 1/1/2024 is there. ठीक है, till 31st of March 2024, because it is financial year 24, right? You can see where it is, where's the name. I will show you in this. It is for the see, financial year 2024, that means 2023 April to 2024 March. That's it. I have seen the file name, so I have idea on that, but still we have done a cross check as well. Simple, you have to go in this filter, drag and drop filter on this page, because we have to work on this page only. ठीक है, just drag and drop this thing. You will get some option, basic filtering, advanced filtering, relative date, relative time, but we need to go on advanced filtering. You have to select this on or before 01/01/2024. oh sorry, ठीक है, and on or after 31/03/2024. ठीक है, because we are taking care of January month, 1st January to 2024 March. ठीक है, we are taking for this because they have asked for 2024 का data. See, you can check that out. ठीक है, occurrence within the year 2024, and in financial year 2024 we only have access to 3 months of 2024, that is January, February, March. This is what we did. No need to get confused. Okay, this is what we did. On or before, oh sorry, it should be on or after, मतलब after 1/1/2024 to on or before 31st 3/2024. ठीक है, after मतलब बाद में, after, before मतलब पहले, first, before this, on or before, equal to or less than, equal to or greater than. Apply filter, simple, you will apply filter. Don't forget to do this. Let me show you here. I hope you can see. Don't forget to do this, apply filter, otherwise it won't work. Then we will be adding something here. We will be adding city level spread corresponding to blood group. Means let's take, so whatever thing I will do here, like suppose I add a stack bar chart. I will work on this with city level. Suppose I add city and I add blood group, suppose like this. ठीक है, city and blood group. ठीक, whatever data you are seeing here na, it is on this filter only. ठीक है, it is each and everything will be on this filter because you have done this filter on this page. ठीक है, whatever data you see here you will see on the filter part. I mean to say you will see all those things based on this filter. This is what I am trying to say. Now in this we will add a legend. Legend is this, I mean to say city, count of blood group, and in legend I will add this thing, blood group. Sorry, acha, here we also have, you can add blood group. So once you add this legend, you can see these things from this year to this year, matlab sorry, from January month 2024 to March 2024 end, you can see what city is having what blood group in, I mean in the location, simple as that. So this is the use of legend. This is the best use of legend, I would say, in this project. This is the best use of legend which we have used because they have asked here, maintain the within the same filter group reflect the city level spread along with corresponding blood group. ठीक है, along the corresponding city level with blood group. This is what we did, simple as that. So we are done with the project. Now just save the file, go here, not here, go here and reply, hi team, as per the requirements we have done the work and attach the report. Please do check once and reply for any help. ठीक है, done and dusted. We will attach the report. I mean we will attach the where is it? Sorry, it's here. Done and dusted. Let's read once. As per the requirement, we have done the work and attached the report. Please do check once and reply for any help. I will add the file. Let me save it again. Saved. I will, oh sorry, let me add the file. Take, okay, let me add the file and send this. Done and dusted. For now our project is done for the Power BI, and thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like this video, share it with your friends who want to do any Power BI basic level project. You can share with them, and please click on the subscribe button and on the bell icon so that once I start my live stream, like we do live stream every day, you can directly get the notification once you click on the bell icon, and in that you can join and ask me doubts related to any project, SQL and Python for data analytics, anything you need you can ask. And please like this video and share this video as well. So thank you everyone for joining me in this project, and let's meet again in a new video. Till then, bye bye, take care, happy coding, happy learning, and any doubts, I am here to help you out.